wind is like blowing into this fucking microphone from outside and from the fans. So it sounds like shit, and I'm sorry. I just breathed on the microphone. I don't want to do that. On my back. Yeah. Oh shit. All set. Okay. Crack my back some. Somebody give me a massage. Give me some loving. Hair's a mess. That's why I've been wearing my hat. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Give it to me hard and fast. Back. I feel like I gotta burp too. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nothing. Tiny little burps. I don't know what I'll do. You're all gonna watch me take painkillers. Watch me take pills. 2 fucking Advils, pain relief. Or not Advils, aspirin. Hi, Mom. A video. Taking these, my back still hurts. It's killer. Killer. Oh, that would be an awesome movie. Attack of the Killer Back. Attack of the Killer Back. A Matt Martin film where the back kills you. Nothing can save you. Not even a back massage from a naked chick. Anyways, yeah, so I kind of just want to tell y'all why I didn't have great sound in my last 2 videos I just did. Because Blue, you left me a comment, and I was like, yeah, I don't know, it's probably the wind. I mean, it can't be the microphone. It's not. Just like new-ish. But yeah, it's the wind. And the fans from the window. So yeah, just kind of wanted to get that out there. And see if these pills work and make my back feel better. Usually when I take them, I'm good for about 30 minutes, and then I start hurting again. So, have a beautiful day. Alright, much love, much motherfucking love. Peace, 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 peace and love. Ah, shit, son.